This hive is huge. We need to be careful.
Get the equipment ready. We start now.
Stay alert. Bees are very active.
Prepare the smoker and protective gear.
Make sure your suit is sealed, no gaps. Stay calm. Don't panic around the bees. Check your gloves. Bees can find any opening.
We're ready. Move carefully.
Keep the smoke steady. It will calm them. Stay together. Don't disturb the hive too fast. Keep the smoke steady. It will calm them. Stay together. Don't disturb the hive too fast.
They're leaving. The smoke worked.
Good. Now we can move in safely.
The hive is clearing fast. Stay ready. Let's begin extraction. Move carefully. Cut slowly. Don't damage the comb. Collect everything carefully. This is high-quality honey. Perfect cut. Keep it steady.
Fill the containers. Don't waste any honey.
Cleaning process complete. This is premium quality. Great job, team. Ready for transport.
This batch is perfectly clean. Pack everything. We move to the factory. Filter it slowly. Keep it pure. Remove all wax. We need premium quality.
Perfect cut. Keep it steady.
Fill the containers. Don't waste any honey.
Careful with this one. It's full.
Stack them tight. We're almost done.
The road is clear. Maintain speed. We'll reach the factory soon.
We're leaving the jungle. Keep everything secure. Next stop, the factory.
The road is clear. Maintain speed. We'll reach the factory soon. Unload carefully. Don't tilt the containers. Move them inside for processing. Steady. This one is full.
Place them in the processing area.
Pour slowly. Keep the flow steady. System is running. Maintain the input. Perfect flow. Don't overload it.
Processing started. Monitor the system.
Send it to heating. Maintain temperature control.
Heat level rising. Keep it stable.
Flow is perfect. Increase heat slightly.
Heating process started. Monitor closely.
Keep the mixing speed steady.
Texture is getting perfect. Maintain rotation.